Would you come back to me? I promise I'll be true. I've been counting all the nights I've spent without you. Would you take my hand again, like you used to do? If I told you from my heart I only wanted you. I've been replaying every word I said, wishing I could change the things I can't forget. If you're still out there hearing this somehow, I'd fix the past if you just tell me how. Would you come back to me? I promise this time I'll hold on tighter, won't walk the thin line. Would you believe me if I say I've changed, that I won't let us slip away again? Would you walk back in my life, even just to see if the pieces of your heart still fit with me? I know I broke your trust, I know I made you cry, but I'm standing in the open, no more alibis. If there's a way to heal the damage done, I'll chase the sunrise, I'll outrun the sun.